originally came here because I needed to have a root canal and my gums were hurting a lot. So I came to have that checked out. And as a result of that, I realized that I needed some periodontal work. And the root canal was done. First what they did was they spent some time with me to explain what was wrong, what needed to be repaired, what my options were, and then what the cost would be and what they felt that insurance would cover and what I would be personally responsible for. They also explained that it was done by different professionals, which kind of was concerning to me in the beginning because I wasn't so certain I wanted a lot of different hands in my mouth. But in the end, I really appreciated the expertise of every single one of them. From the time that I had the root canal, then they explained how they would have to put a cap on afterwards, and that worked out pretty well. And then the biggest treatment for me was the periodontal work. That was concerning because it was aggressive. I had let my teeth go, and I hadn't been as careful about getting them cleaned as often as I should have. And so the gums were in pretty bad shape. And Dr. Nune was fabulous. He's very gentle. Dr. Lim was terrific too in explaining what he would be doing. And he did the, I think they call it scaling. I'm not quite certain, but they scraped all the teeth and the gums, and then they did the treatments, and it was done in several different appointments. And then I followed up with Marina, who is absolutely excellent, very gentle but very thorough, explains everything she's doing as she goes along. And I followed up with her for cleanings for the last 3 years, and now we're to a point where the gums are in terrific shape. And the teeth are doing pretty well as far as the periodontal. I would recommend everybody here, and the reason is originally, like I said, I was very skeptical about having so many people, but I found out that they each bring something unique and special to the table, and in doing so, they all take their time to explain to you what they're going to do, how they're going to do it. They stick to their timeline. They're very professional about how they handle your treatments. I can't say enough about the treatments I've gotten here. The thing that really impresses me about Dr. Lim and Dr. Nune is how well they work together. They seem to know exactly how one is going to fit the other. Dr. Nune is a tremendous surgeon. I mean, I had some major extractions that were necessary as a result of some of the gum disease, and plus two, I had all my wisdom teeth, and they had to take 1 or 2 of those out as well. So he was excellent. He also did 2 implants as a result of that, and the surgery was well explained. The treatment was pretty easy. I never even needed to get a prescription pain medication. I was perfectly fine with over-the-counter pain medication. And the implant process is very it was very successful, and it was very easy to do. The thing I think that I'm most impressed with Dr. Lim, besides him being very conscientious as a dentist, is that and I've had caps before, he is amazing at fitting your mouth with the cap. First time, it fits perfectly. It matches perfectly. And I've had him do more than one. He's been tremendous. So would I recommend him highly? It depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for something that's going to be, and you might want bargain, it's not a bargain in the sense that it's financially not a bargain. But it is a bargain because in the long run, you will not have to have it repeated. You don't have to come multiple times so you don't miss extra time from work. And in the long run, it is done so professionally that I expect that it will last forever.